Hi, my name's Rachel. You might recognise my face from the McWilliam Gallery. I would normally be part of a team of artists who would be helping out during some of their workshops. But unfortunately at the moment we have to stay at home to stay safe. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't be making art. So I have a few little ideas for you to try out over the Easter break. We have some of these little yarn wrapped bunnies or little Easter eggs to try out. And you should be able to just grab some nice simple ingredients or materials from around the house. Let me show you what I've got here. Some nice colourful wool, some old cardboard, this is from a napkin box, maybe some coloured card. You might need a little pair of scissors and a felt tip pen. And if you have them, some googly eyes. They're for sticking onto our bunnies. Okay? So to start off, the first thing you want to do is to draw some shapes. So they could be Easter themed. So maybe think of a nice egg shape. Or we could have maybe a bunny. I find the easiest way to draw this is to think of a big snowman, a nice round body, smaller head, and then 2 ears on top, just like that. Or if you want to make a little chick, a nice round circle. So once you've done that, you can cut them out. So I have some ones here I've done earlier. So I've got a nice little bunny, some eggs, a circle, and we're probably going to start off with one of those. And I'll show you how to do a chick. So what you want to do is to grab some of your wool. So for a chick, I'm going to use some nice orange and yellow here. And you want to cut a little length of this, not too long, maybe about the length of your arm, yeah? And what you want to do is to take one end and to tie it in a little knot, just like that. And you want to take your card and cut, do a single little cut in, not too far in, about 1 centimetre in. Thread this through and the little knot just secures it for you, stops it from falling out. And then you just start to wrap around, just like that, okay? Pretty soon you'll run out of this thread, so what you want to do is join it to another colour. So cut a little bit of maybe your next colour, I've got yellow here, and you just want to tie a little knot between the two ends and that secures them together, just like that. Keep on wrapping and just keep on adding other colours, and eventually you'll end up with quite a full big body like that, okay? So this is my one I've got here. What I want to do is finish it off now so it looks like a little chick. So what I've done is with my little piece of card, I've cut out some shapes. I've cut out a nice little beak and I've cut out 2 little feet and I've got the eyes as well. So I'm going to stick the eyes on first. These have little sticky backs on them, so just pull that off and stick on the first fly, and then I've got the second bit and stick that one on. You see, it's starting to take shape. And then the little beak, and I put a little bit of sticky back plastic on this. It's handy to have. If you don't have any of that, you can use some sellotape. Okay, and you want to just stick that on, just like that. And I've also put this onto his little feet, and they're just going to go on securely on at the back there. So there's one little foot on, just like that. And then I'm just going to put the next one on. And there you go. There's a lovely little Easter chick, okay? And if you wanted to make a little bunny shape, you cut out the bunny and you do exactly the same thing. You start with a little slit and you keep on wrapping it around, tying on lots of different colours. And then of course, because it's a bunny, it might need a little tail. So I'm going to show you a really easy and quick way to do that in the next video, okay? Look after yourselves, see you soon, bye.